Go.
Timer 1 elapsed.
Three and a half inches. Oh. Still got battery, your track. So you were trying, oh sorry, okay. So with your track, you want to try and track the base of the tree. I think I'm sagging, 6S life, okay. Okay, it's getting windy actually, yeah. So you want to track the base. See, that was too fast to track the base. Ah, yeah, not doing it. Okay.
The really great part is with Google
We're on a good video by doing that, eh?
can reach people who are looking to buy exactly what you sell.
That's more so what you're looking for. So yeah, track the base a bit more. If you do it in the middle of the trees,
to see what's working best for you.
yeah, it's got a lot of inertia, but it's hard to stop around corners. See that?
$25 a day. Our return on investment has been 36-1. Everything we learn about Google Ads, we learn online. If I can do it, if my team can do it, anybody can do it.
First sign of a sore throat? Try new Strepsils Herbal Immune Support Lozenges for a triple benefit. Formulated with menthol, vitamin C and zinc to relieve a sore throat, blocked nose and help support your immune system with Strepsils.
Laser flip. Laser flip. Finish that shit with a trippy, y'all. Sag that battery out and spin it up and around. down. Oh no, fuck, I am really out. 19. Gotta lean on the car. The rocks are magnetic. There's the car. Oh, thank God. 17 volts. Fuck, new battery, don't do that.